My name is Yong Han An at Hanyang University in South Korea.
What brought you to World of Modular?
I think I'm doing some of the research about modular design and construction. I think this is the kind of one of the big conference in modular building. That's why I want to know about the industry and about new technology for modular design and construction. That's why I came here.
Ken Long, a Division 7 Modular Enterprise.
And what brings you to World of Modular?
The modular manufacturers and the modular dealers and the trust we have in the MDI Association.
And what are your key takeaways you're getting here? What are you really enjoying
Relationships, relationships, and relationships.
My name is George Wachter with Minuteman Anchors from Thriving Metropolis of East Flat Rock, North Carolina.
And are you guys MBI members?
We are MBI members and have been for a long, long time.
And what brings you to World of Modular? Do you come every year?
The show, we have a booth here, and we are active in the modular industry since about the 1960s.
And so are you attending any of the breakout sessions?
We go to a few of the breakout sections that are applicable to our industry.
And are you learning a lot, enjoying any good takeaways?
It's always very informative.
Anything you're taking home with you, new research?
We do a lot of interaction with our customers and interaction with other clients as well.
My name is Nafisa Garner. I'm with Ice Edge Business Solutions, and I'm based out of Calgary, Alberta in Canada.
All right, and what brings you to World of Modular?
We're actually an entity of Dirt Environmental Solutions, which is an interior construction modular company. We actually have a fantastic software that we wanted to come and show everybody here at World of Modular.
And so what are your key takeaways? What are you really enjoying about World of Modular?
I'm just really enjoying the networking opportunity and how friendly and welcoming everybody are. They're so supportive here. Everybody wants you to succeed and everyone wants to succeed together.
Well, I'm Maury Tiernan with Geary Pacific. We're a HVAC wholesaler, a vendor to the industry, if you will, and we've been involved since 1985. So this is our 30th year as a member of the Modular Building Institute. And it's about the networking abilities that we have with be here with our customers and be able to see some of the other construction methods across the country. So,
are you learning about new technologies that some of our guys are using?
The breakout sessions are great.
Yeah,
absolutely. Good speakers. Our keynote speakers have been terrific. So it's been a good event.
Awesome. Yeah.
I'm Talbot Rice. I'm a staff researcher at the Integrated Technology and Architecture Center at the University of Utah. So my colleague Ryan Smith, he wrote the book Prefab Architecture and has been very much in depth with off-site solutions to construction and modular construction in particular. And that brings me here, and we talk every year and love to contribute.
So are you getting any key takeaways, meeting some interesting people, learning a lot?
Yeah, learning a ton and networking. I think that's the best part about it.
Okay, I'm from Poland, and the name of the company is Cambut. We're a sister company to Norkit Industries. And we've been coming here for so many years now, I think maybe 7 or 8 years now. Yeah, we're just like we're a member, and so we build prefabricated modular buildings. So it's always been a pleasure coming here and meeting the same people and new people. So thank you for inviting us. We're attending the breakout sessions, mostly the main lecture, so we're looking forward to the coming lecture now today. So the lecture yesterday from Walter Bond was really, really interesting, really motivating and inspiring.
What are your kind of key takeaways? Like what do you really enjoy, or what are you going to take home to Poland?
It's really nice talking to the fellow companies, some innovations, new things. So always something new to bring back home, especially innovations.
Right.
So lots of the projects that we see that are exhibiting are really inspiring. The education buildings, very nice aesthetically as well for the eye. So that's nice.
Right. So are you having fun here at World of Modular?
Of course, as every year, it's really lots of fun, nice talking to the people, nice parties, good food, so really fun, enjoying as always.
I'm with Cornwood and Dixon, Vice President of Operations. We are general contractors in Western Canada. We have operations from Winnipeg all the way through to Vancouver. And as general contractors, we understand and recognize very clearly the new off-site modular components and how important they are going to be to our construction business.
And what brings you to World of Modular?
I used to attend when I was part of the another company, and that was about 3 years ago. I took a little hiatus, and coming back now, it's grown incredibly, and so many new faces, and yes, it's a great show.
Finding a lot of new technologies you guys can use?
Yes, there is. There's a lot of new technology, and some of the innovations that we're seeing in the modular offsite world is starting to make sense. You know, and it's not that it didn't make sense before, but it's getting better.
You're finding ways to integrate it into your traditional on-site building?
Yes. We, like I say, being general contractors, we look at all options, and if we can do a modular offsite solution for an owner, that's what we're going to do. So.
And, you know, the most efficient job is sort of, you know, you're right.
Well, that's exactly it. For us, it's customer service and getting something to the customer that's proper and good quality and delivered safely. On time and on budget is always the issue. And with modular, you can be assured of price certainty well before the project actually starts. So that's an important part. I'm networking. I'm attending some of the various sessions, and enjoyed the one yesterday from the Marriott group and the lady from Washington. That was very well done. One of the main takeaways that I'm finding is that the public at large is having a tough time understanding what modular is and the advantages. I know Mark Taylor very well, and his initiative 5 in 5 is going to be a very large undertaking, and I'm going to support him in every way that I can from my section of the world. But it's hard to get clients to understand the advantages, and for every 10 good projects, it only takes one marginal project to push us back in time.
What did you really enjoy about Abigail Brown's talk, the architect from DC?
The fact that she has been looking at an off-site or modular solution from when she was in college, and still sees the value and is pushing forward to get to that value proposition. So.
My name is Abby Brown. I'm an architect from Hickok Cole Architects in Washington, D.C. Our firm is just now getting started researching modular construction and thinking about introducing it into our projects. And so I came partially to connect with other architects that are using modular, and also to learn about it from other professionals as well. So my breakout session was about our struggles as architects implementing modular construction in the Washington, D.C. market. So a lot of the developers that we work with are a little bit hesitant about starting to use it in a new marketplace, because there's a little bit of a negative public perception about what modular is. People tend to think of it as maybe like relocatable classrooms or trailer parks, or just not as high quality buildings. So changing that public perception is a challenge that we're facing, and so that's what I spoke about during the breakout session.
Awesome. And did you attend any other breakouts?
I did, yes. I've attended a few. One of my favorites was a three-part. So there were 3 speakers. One was an architect like me, one was a contractor, and one was a modular manufacturer. And so listening to their stories and hearing about the challenges and opportunities that they face from the 3 different perspectives was really, really fascinating, and I think very helpful. So some of the things I might take back to our firm is definitely some of the ways that other architects have been implementing modular. So for example, the way that teams are structured is really interesting, because you can't really use a traditional project team for modular. It's really important to have your contractor, and modular manufacturer, and architect and owner all on the same page up front. So collaboration is so important, and structuring your teams in order to accommodate that is definitely something that I've learned, and I think that we will definitely use at Hickok Cole.